Guys, today I want to show you on what will happen if you try to crack the last code of the ATM. Guys, this game is a scam to me. I've played it for more than a month now and I haven't withdrawn yet. So here I've only left with 2 numbers. I tried to press on 7 and let's see what it will show you. When every time you try to crack the last code, guys, either the 4 digits of your password would disappear or all the codes. As you can see, there is failed withdraw, crack, continue to crack. It's a scam, guys. If you fail it withdraw, all your 8 codes would disappear. If you continue to crack, the 4 codes would disappear, like what happened now. And even if you try to put the codes that were there before, they will be wrong, guys. You have to start again. This game is a scam, guys. Even if to read notes, guys, if you reach to 15 times, they will keep on adding you 6 more times until you become tired. And even if you notice on the people who will be withdrawing, they are still same names every day, same names, guys. This game is a scam. I do not want to lie to you, guys. It's scam, guys.